Siguro kasi syempre, while there's 50 shows, there are also people na who wouldn't be aware sa references or kunwari, this might be their first play. So, siguro paano niyo po, in a way, tutulungan yung mga manonood na first timers to sort of understand what you guys are talking about.
May definition of terms. Joel Saracho. But I'm very mindful of that na hopefully, syempre may mga referencing ka ng mga taga-theater. Pero hopefully, kumbaga, meron ka ding mga representation or may context clues naman na gagawin sa play. Kumbaga parang, di pag nakuha mo si Joel Saracho, bonus points. Pero, syempre, hindi din hopefully, hindi rin other yung pyesa na pang theater community lang siya. Hopefully, pa rin siya, representation pa rin, and meta pa rin yung theater process dun sa gusto namin mensahe dun sa mga manonood. So, kumbaga parang may konting nuancing, context clues, yun po.
The surface of the text, the surface of the text is supposed to really have the fun in them, di ba? Yung parang walang tumanda, o kaya tumatanda. So it's actually outward siya, you don't need the reference, di ba? To those who know the references, then you will get what we're talking about. So, kumbaga, basic na ginawa namin is kailangan yung script, yung text mismo is you get it, you get the rhythm, di ba? We're talking about theater, about Facebook, pagyabang. So the surface text already contains the humor and the message. Yung mga references lang ngayon na naghubad si Andoy Ranay sa Duda, Doubt na film, at saka yung kanilang pelikula amin mga matula sa UP, nangyayari yun. So I think those things will be in the extra layer of information and delight.
Suggestion po sa marketing, baka po sa program, pwede tayong may glossary of terms. May picture po ni Joel Saracho.
Depende, may QR code para online reference.
Sige pa, wag na.
Meron siya ngayon, na-mention siya ngayon. Info, thank you for your question. Thank you. Meron?